In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate an existing website to Hostinger. If you're looking to transfer your website smoothly, whether for better performance, cost efficiency, or expanded features, you're in the right place. Let's start this process by looking into purchasing a hosting plan that suits your needs. Hostinger offers a variety of plans, so you'll want to choose one that fits your specific requirements, considering factors like the size of your website and the expected amount of traffic. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and complete the purchase. This step is crucial as it provides you with the resources and support needed for your website to run efficiently once the migration is complete. Now that you've secured a hosting plan, the next step is to head over to your H panel, the hub of your hosting services. Within your H panel, you'll need to navigate to the Migrate Website menu. This tool is specifically designed to assist you with transferring your site with minimal hassle. It's great for ensuring that everything is in the right place without needing to fret over the technicalities. You'll find this option in a straightforward menu, which makes it accessible, even for beginners. Once you've located the migration tool, it's time to submit your migration request. If your website is running on WordPress, you'll want to select that option, as it can streamline the process significantly. You'll see some required fields that need to be filled out. These typically include details about your website's origin and destination, and sometimes they might request other specifics like login credentials to facilitate the transfer process. The beauty of using the migration tool is that Hostinger can transfer your site automatically. This is a great option if you prefer a hands-off approach, allowing you to sit back and let the professionals take care of the heavy lifting. However, if you'd like to take a more hands-on role, or if your website doesn't suit an automatic transfer, there's always the option to manually transfer the files. You can do this by using either the FTP, File Transfer Protocol, or the File Manager within Hostinger's platform. Both methods serve the same purpose, but may differ depending on what you're comfortable with. FTP tends to give you more control and might be preferable if you're dealing with a large number of files, whereas the File Manager provides a more visual and intuitive interface for smaller projects. And there you have it. With these steps, your website should be successfully migrated to Hostinger, ready to go live on the new server. Whether you chose the automatic path or the manual transfer, you've now got the guidance you need to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.